The once popular Snake Island in Venice will soon be closed as crews take steps to keep it from eroding away. As SNN local news reporter Grant Boxleitner tells us now, the island is only a fraction of what it used to be.
Over the last few decades, Snake Island in the Venice Inlet has been slowly disappearing, courtesy of Mother Nature. The West Coast Inland Navigation District owns the land, and officials say it's only about 1/6 the size of what it used to be.
It was over 5 acres upland, and now it's a little bit over 3/4 of an acre upland is all that's left of it, and it seems to be deteriorating pretty rapidly right now.
So WCIND is set to begin a $350,000 island restoration project. Crews will dredge surrounding waters to add sand and bring in limestone rock to form front walls.
We're also going to have native plants planted on the island, which should help on the erosion areas that have to do with the exotic vegetation like Australian pines that have unstable root systems.
And officials say it'll take 2 to 3 months to complete the project, and throughout that time, no one will be allowed on the island or next to it with a boat.
We're going to be out here along with other law enforcement, marine enforcement officers, where we're going to be helping them out, just kind of keeping people off the island.
Snake Island, meanwhile, remains a popular spot for boaters.
On the weekends, it's highly popular amongst all the boaters and families and stuff, so I think it's a great idea. A lot of people use it.
But Venice Police Marine Patrol Officer Paul Joyce says the project will provide more than just a larger recreational spot.
It's also going to help protect all the property and land and homes behind it. This is actually a buffer between the Gulf of Mexico and all the storms that we get and the large tidals that we get through here.
Reporting in Venice, Grant Boxleitner, SNN Local News.
Now, we're told that contractor TSI is going to be doing the work on Snake Island. Project managers say that work could begin as early as the end of the week.